Oh, wow. Isn't this pretty? I promised you a party trick of what you can do with this magic snow globe. The game is, let's turn this light off without popping the balloon. And then you give it to the teenagers and you watch their faces as they watch their friend try to turn off the light without popping the balloon. I will show you how it's done. To turn off the light, you need to catch the key tab and the light and insert the key tab into the light without popping the balloon. And you have the confetti too as an obstacle, but you want to go to the base of the balloon, shake the confetti around till you can find the key. Aha. Oops. I have the key. I'm maneuvering it little by little. Get the confetti away from the tab. Okay, I have the little end up. Now, to catch that light, now the slit is up and down. There's a piece of confetti right in between me and the light. I need to roll the light around. Nope. Roll the light around again. Oh, now it's facing the wrong way. Ooh, come on. Okay, come on. Light. Roll back down. I got the key tab. Now I need the light. Oh. Almost caught the light, lost the light. You know, I always manage to turn the light off a lot faster than this when I demonstrate. Or maybe did I catch the light and then I caught the tab? Maybe that's why I'm having a hard time. But you can see the point of the game is if you can get the bottom of the light. Oh, is that it? I did it! I have turned off the light without popping the balloon! Yay! Now, to turn on the balloon, you kind of do the same thing. Catch the light, pull the tab, and try to do it without popping the balloon. And it is a great, great magical fun. And the expressions of the people as they watch. Some people won't even try, but they'll watch. Anyways, it's a fun game to play with your magic snow globe. Have a fun day twisting. Bye.